In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to an AI API using a webhook endpoint. The goal here is to create a simple flow where someone submits a Typeform, your server receives that submission instantly, your server sends the relevant response data to an AI API for processing, and then the AI-generated output gets delivered to an email inbox, stored in a database, or shown in a user interface. To begin, create a webhook endpoint using a server platform that works for your setup. This could be something like Vercel, AWS Lambda, Make, or Zapier. The important part is that you have a public URL that Typeform can send data to. If you're using a code-based platform, this endpoint should be able to accept incoming webhook requests, usually in JSON format. It's a good idea to test that the endpoint is live and returning a valid response before connecting anything else, because that makes troubleshooting much easier later. Next, go into Typeform, open your form, then navigate to connect and choose webhooks, and from there, add the public server URL for the endpoint you just created. This tells Typeform where to send submission events whenever someone completes the form. Make sure you use the correct production URL if you're deploying your endpoint live, and not a temporary or local testing address unless you're specifically using a tunneling tool for development. Once the webhook is added, Typeform will begin sending payload data to that endpoint whenever a new response is submitted. Now that the connection is in place, write the logic on your server to parse the response payload data coming from Typeform. In other words, your endpoint should read the incoming JSON, identify the form answers you care about, and extract the useful content. After that, forward the relevant data to your AI API. This usually means creating a request from your server to the AI provider, passing along the user's form response in a structured way so the model can generate a meaningful output. Keep your code organized here, especially if you plan to expand the workflow later or handle different forms. Once the AI API returns a response, take that output and send it where it needs to go. Depending on your use case, that might mean emailing the result, saving it in a database, or displaying it in a UI for someone to review. At this stage, it's helpful to log both the incoming webhook data and the outgoing AI result, so you can confirm the whole chain is working correctly. That's the full process. Receive the Typeform submission, process it on your server, send it to the AI API, and deliver the result